Today we will try to tell about top 10 folic acid foods in the world. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the growth and development of the human body. It is particularly important for pregnant women, as it helps prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spine. Folic acid is also important for the production of red blood cells and DNA synthesis. Here are the top 10 folic acid foods in the world. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of folic acid, with 1 cup of cooked spinach providing 263 micrograms of folic acid, which is 66% of the daily recommended intake. Asparagus. Asparagus is another vegetable that is high in folic acid, with 1 cup of cooked asparagus containing 262 micrograms of folic acid, which is 66% of the daily recommended intake. Lentils. Lentils are an excellent source of folic acid, with 1 cup of cooked lentils containing 358 micrograms of folic acid, which is 90% of the daily recommended intake. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood that is high in healthy fats, fiber, and a range of essential nutrients, including folic acid. 1 medium-sized avocado contains 90 micrograms of folic acid, which is 22% of the daily recommended intake. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in folic acid, with 1 cup of cooked broccoli containing 168 micrograms of folic acid, which is 42% of the daily recommended intake. Beets. Beets are a root vegetable that is rich in antioxidants and folic acid. 1 cup of cooked beets contains 136 micrograms of folic acid, which is 34% of the daily recommended intake. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are another cruciferous vegetable that is high in folic acid. 1 cup of cooked Brussels sprouts contains 93 micrograms of folic acid, which is 23% of the daily recommended intake. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps the body absorb folic acid. 1 medium-sized orange contains 40 micrograms of folic acid, which is 10% of the daily recommended intake. Fortified cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with folic acid, making them an easy and convenient way to increase your daily intake of this essential nutrient. 1 cup of fortified cereal typically contains around 400 micrograms of folic acid, which is 100% of the daily recommended intake. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is rich in folic acid, with 1 cup of papaya containing 115 micrograms of folic acid, which is 29% of the daily recommended intake. In conclusion, including these top 10 folic acid foods in your diet can help you meet your daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient. It is important to note that folic acid is a water-soluble vitamin, which means that it is not stored in the body and needs to be consumed regularly through food sources or supplements to maintain adequate levels. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos.